outside of the outro, which was one time. One time. You know, it'd be an even sexier activation. FC in the outro. Just kidding. Yo, bro, are you mad? Just do what you did last time. That worked out. Wait, how do we get less points that time? This just doesn't make any sense. I squeezed too. I squeezed the vocal activation and we got less points. Oh, okay. But as long as if you guys end before the break, that's all that mattered. Alright, let's do this, come on. Well, considering it's all 0 from here, it's all good. Yes! Fuck yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, yes! Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! 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 Oh, that's awesome! Oh my god! Oh yes! Look at it! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's gonna do it. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I knew it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, not again. That worked out better though. That did work out better.